Okay, so this is 2017 LCA Maths paper. So first question here is question 1. So John lodges 3 cheques worth 24.67, 23.89 and 123.54. Find the total amounts he lodges. So they want to see what the total is, so that means that you need to add them up together. So 24.67 add 23.89 add 123.54. So put that into your calculator. Okay, and you can see that totals to 172.1, so that's 172 and 10 cents. A medicine bottle has a volume of 350 mils. How many single doses of 25 mils are in the bottle? You're trying to see how many of those you can fit in, so you're going to divide. So 350 divided by 25. So put that into your calculator. And you get an answer there of 14. Okay, part C. You have a regular unbiased die is rolled once. Find the probability of rolling a 5. Well, we know that there's one side out of 6 that is a 5, so it's just 1/6. Find the value of the square root of 68. So press the square root button, 68. You can see that's a third. So press SD. You get 8.246211251. Okay, you want to write this to 2 decimal places. So that's 8.24 or 8.25. You can see the next digit is 6. So that's why I'm going to round it to 8.25. Part E is sports drink has the following 2 special offers. Offer A is 6 bottles for €8 or offer B is 10 bottles for €14. Which is better value for money? We'll work out how much it is per bottle. So here it's €8 for 6. So that's for offer A. So if we do 8 divided by 6, that is 1.33 per bottle. And then for offer B, it's €14 for 10 bottles. So when you do 14 divided by 10, you get €1.40. Okay, so the cheapest one is €1.33 per bottle. So that is offer A. For part F, find the volume of a cube with sides length 4. So if you have a cube, okay, it means that you have the length, the width, and the height. Okay, so length, width, and height. And to find the volume, you're going to have to do length times width times height. Okay, and because it's a cube, all 4 sides are the same. So 4 times 4 times 4. Put that into your calculator. So 4 times 4 times 4, and you get 64. Okay, that is in centimeters, so it's centimeters cubed. Okay, part G, Melissa has a gross weekly income of 645. She pays income tax at 65.54. 25.80 is her PRSI and 21.80 is her USC. Work out her net weekly income. Well, you have to find out how much all her deductions are. So her deductions are her tax, her PRSI, and her USC. So you're just going to add them together. And that comes to 113.22. So they're all their deductions. So 113.22. But she makes 645. Take away the deductions. And that leaves you 531.78. Okay, work out the number of hours in 3 full weeks. Well, there's 24 hours in a day, and then you have 7 days a week, and then you have 3 full weeks. So 24 times 7 times 3 gives you 504 hours. Okay, for part I, the diagram on the right shows a triangle and a semicircle. One of the sides of the triangle is the diameter of the semicircle. So find the size of the angle X and the size of the angle Y. Okay, when you see a triangle in a semicircle, this one here is a right angle. So that has to be 90 degrees. We know that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. So if we do 90, add 20, that's 110. Okay, and then take that away from 180, and that leaves you with 70 degrees. Okay, so that's 70 here. So X is 90 degrees and 70 is 70. Sorry, X is 90, Y is 70. Okay, for part J, the height of 5 students are shown. So work out the mean or average height of those students. So to get the average or the mean, you must add them together. And then divide it by how many numbers there are. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students, divided by 5. Okay, so in our calculator we do 157 plus 183 plus 173 plus 169 plus 168, and you divide that by 5, press equals, get 170.